What's up guys, CKID here, man, and today we're going to be talking about the new Apple AirPods 2. If you guys want to pick up this case, I just did a video talking about all of the different cases that you all can pick up for your Apple AirPods 1 as well as your AirPods 2. This one here is by a company called Alago. I will have a link to this one down in the description below as well as a video for you guys to check out right up here on the screen. So with that being said, man, we're going to talk about the Apple AirPods 2 and some of the features that I like about it that I think a lot of creators out there are actually overlooking, and the main one being
C-Squad, yeah, we started something great. My goals on the horizon, I'm just cleaning off my plate. Listen up, we got tech so passionate, keeps the fire going higher. 100K still a goal, which I'm inspired. Hey, links for my peoples, they buying sequels. I'm just here to keep it peaceful, so comment after these bars. Share, like, subscribe, we moving closer to these stars. Another video is here, so sit back, it's up to par. Let's go.
All right, guys, welcome back. Now, I want to talk about one of the main features that I like about the new Apple AirPods 2, and that has to be that Hey Siri feature. I think this is a feature that is being overlooked by a lot of creators that are out there that I think is a really dope feature that works really, really well. Now, I've been listening to a lot of music lately, podcasts and anything, whether it's on Spotify or whether it's YouTube videos or whether it's on Apple Music. I've been listening to everything on here, and the Hey Siri feature works really, really well. I mean, almost flawless. Like if I'm saying, hey Siri, it will automatically lower the volume of your music, listen to your command, and boom, just like that, it's going to do whatever you ask. So if I ask it to lower my volume, boom, it lowers the volume to a certain percentage. If I ask it to skip to the next track, boom, it does it like flawlessly. And I think this is one of those features that we take for granted and we're just like, oh, it's just a Siri feature. But in all honesty, the Hey Siri feature on here works really well, and I think they've done a really great job at the far field technology that is used. As I've been saying that even on the Apple HomePod, that they have the best far field technology, meaning that when you guys speak to your AI devices or your home devices, such as the Apple such as the Apple HomePod or even your AirPods here, it's going to hear you the best out of any of the ones that I've used. Now, you guys have seen me talk to my Amazon Alexa or talk to my Google Home Mini, my Google Home Max, or any of the ones that I've had here on the channel. You guys have heard me talk to them, and yes, they work, but a lot of them don't work as good as the Apple HomePod or the AirPods when talking and saying, hey Siri, as I think that Apple has it the best when it comes to listening to you when you're trying to speak commands to your home automation device, such as the Apple HomePod or the Google Home Mini or something like the Amazon Alexa. Because yes, I do believe that Google Home Mini and Google Assistant is the best out of all of the different AI platforms that are out there. I do think that the Apple HomePod, as well as saying, hey Siri, using this on the Apple AirPods or using them on your phone or using them with the Google HomePod, the Apple HomePod, I think that using that far field technology is the best, and it's really good to see that they carried that out through their AirPods. I really think that it's an underutilized feature as well as an overlooked feature of the Apple AirPods 2, and I think that is something that needs to be put out there. So with that being said, man, I just wanted to do this quick video to let you guys know that the Apple AirPods 2 using that Hey Siri feature is definitely a really, really cool feature and very useful as you all get to using it with your new Apple AirPods. So definitely keep that in mind when you guys are looking to purchase the brand new ones as well, as this is a feature that is not available on the original AirPods, which I have right here with me, which is I have on here my Nomads case. So if you guys are looking for a difference in that regard, the Apple AirPods 1 to the Apple AirPods 2, that Hey Siri feature is, I will have to say, is kind of worth the extra bit of money that you do pay when using. See, it's listening to me now. But that feature does work really well for the extra money that I think is worth it if you guys are looking to buy the Apple AirPods 2. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today, man. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you all have any questions, do not hesitate to comment down below and let me know what videos you guys would like to see on the Apple AirPods 2. And I will make sure to put those videos out there for you all and answer any of you guys' questions. Let me know once again down in the description below. Thanks again for watching, guys. Be different, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.